Hello viewers, today we have this Nissan Micra in our workshop. I already diagnosed the car, but I want to take you with me and show you what I found out and probably fix the car. Right now the car is cranked but not start. So let's go directly inside the car and hook up the diagnostic tool and show you what is the main problem with this car. Okay, so let's check the error codes in the ECM. I'm already hooked with the winch. Just 1 second. Okay, read fault codes. And we have camshaft sensor circuit B1 classical P340. So let's check quickly the wife data. I want to check just the engine speed. Okay, let's just select that we want. I don't want to watch all of them. Okay, engine speed. Okay, graph mode. So I'm going to crank up the engine and we're going to check for a crank signal. Okay, so we have a engine speed, but probably we are getting it from the crankshaft sensor. So let's go directly to the engine bay and try to locate the camshaft sensor. Okay, so to gain access to the camshaft sensor, we have to remove this whole plastic cover. Actually, this is the air filter cover. We need to disconnect these plugs and two hoses, this one and this one, to be able to remove this plastic cover. And yes, I already removed all the bolts that is holding it with the 10mm socket head. So I already removed all of them. I'm going to disconnect the plugs and the hoses, and I'm going to show you where is the location of the camshaft sensor. Okay, the hoses are removed and the plugs, and now I should be able to remove the whole plastic. Actually, yes, I think I should be able. And this is the throttle body under the plastic cover. And this is the location of the camshaft sensor, which we are back probing for the signal wire. I already checked. We have a power and a ground, 5 volt reference voltage to the sensor and the ground wire, and we just check the signal. Okay, let's check that bizarre waveform. As we saw, it looks as it should not be, so that's why I'm going to replace the camshaft sensor, and after that we're going to check how it looks, a good known waveform, because this is how sensor type, and it should not look like anything like that, and that's why I'm going to change it, and we're going to see how the new waveform looks with the new sensor.
Кой мотор е този?
Този
Едно и...
1 и 2.
Ама нисански ли или Рено?
О, нямаш понятие, как ти кажа. Ти ги разпознаваш повече. За работа на стопника.
И аз. Снимаш в момента?
Снимам, да, как го варя. Ама ще го забързам. Okay, so the new sensor came. This is the new one. This is the old one. I'm using a Delphi unit. Hope you're going to be able to see it. But yeah, I'm using a Delphi. So let's plug it in back in his place and check the waveform then. And hope the car is going to start. Okay, so the new sensor is installed. I hooked up the oscilloscope once again, and I'm going to try to start the car, and we're going to check the waveform with the new sensor.
Стартер.
Okay, and this is how it looks, the waveform of the new camshaft sensor. As we can see, we have a square waveform from a Hall sensor from 0 to 5 volts, as we were expected. Okay guys, just a quick video showing the problem of this Nissan Micra. I'm not sure how common is this, but probably it's common enough. And we solved it. So thank you for watching guys, and see you in the next video.